A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, today I have chosen a topic from the textbook of 8th class, and the name of the lesson is Colors of Rainbow. Colors means rang of rainbow. Rainbow means dhanak ke rang. Dear students, it is on page number 92 of your textbook. The rain had just stopped. I was looking out of the window. Occasionally a drop of water fell from the edge of the window. The clouds had cleared and the sun had also come out. When the sun shines immediately after rainfall, it looks very pleasant. I was watching the beauties of nature, lost in thought. Just outside the window were some chilly plants. They had grown quite tall and were supporting red trees. Drops of water were dripping, sliding down the plants. All my attention was centered on the raindrops. A light breeze was blowing outside. I wrapped a bed sheet around me tightly while sitting on the cot. The kids were at play, going out and coming in. They were making a lot of noise, but I was more or less oblivious to it. The chilly plants were dancing in the breeze, and the water drops were falling from them. Small patches of clouds were moving to and fro in the sky. Sometimes they covered the sun and it became cloudy, and sometimes the sun came out. The rain had just stopped. बच्चों आपने देखा होगा जब मौसम बहार में बारिश बरसनी शुरू हो जाती है, बारिशें होती हैं, तो अचानक से कभी मौसम खुशगवार हो जाता है, बारिश यानी बादल हट जाते हैं. तो यही मामला हुआ है. The rain had just stopped. बारिश थम चुकी है. It means that it was raining and all of a sudden the rain stopped. I was looking out of the window. So the writer is saying that he was looking out of the window. Occasionally a drop of water fell from the railing of the window. Occasionally, से तो अचानक, we can say all of a sudden a drop of water fell from the railing of the window on his head, on his body. तो कहता है कि बारिश थम चुकी थी और मैं अब खिड़की से बाहर देख रहा था, तो ताकचे के ऊपर से, यानी आप कहेंगे उसको जैसे हम सनशेड्स कहते हैं, वो उनसे कोई पानी का कतरा इसके यहाँ पे गिर गया, इसके जिस्म पर गिरा. The clouds had cleared and the sun had also come out. The clouds had cleared. जो बादल थे वो साफ हो चुके. Clouds, बादल, had cleared and the sun had also come out. So what happened? The rain stopped, sun come out. The rain stopped and sun come out. When the sun shines immediately after the rainfall, it looks very pleasant. You might have seen that when the rain stops all of a sudden and the sun comes out, everything looks very beautiful, everything looks very pretty. So same happened with the writer. He says that when the sun shines immediately, यानी जब बारिशों के बाद जल्द ही में सूरज निकल आता है, तो everything looks pleasant. हर एक चीज खुशनुमा लगती है, खूबसूरत दिखती है. I was watching the beauties of nature. So the writer was looking at the beauties of nature, like he was looking towards the mountains, towards the forests, towards the greenery of his park, towards the greenery around his house, surroundings of his house. Lost in thought, he was lost in a thought about the beauties of nature, how nature has created them, how beautiful things have been created by the nature. Just outside the window there were some chilly plants. So he is saying that outside the window, from the window where a drop of water fell on his body, there were some chilly plants, there were some red chilli plants, So he looked at them. They had grown quite tall and were supporting red chilies. तो ये जो मिर्ची के पौधे थे, जो मिर्च के पौधे लगे हुए थे, दे हैड ग्रोन टॉल, ये अब बड़े हो चुके थे, एंड वर सपोर्टिंग रेड चिलीज, और इन पे लाल मिर्च लगे हुए थे, यानी जो कलर था दे वर चेंज्ड फ्रॉम ग्रीन टू रेड, दैट मीन्स दे वर रेडी फॉर यूज. Drops of water were dripping, sliding down the plants. So what was happening? All of a sudden, he found that the drops of water were falling from these plants, these red chilies. All my attention was centered on the raindrops. So the writer says that his all attention was toward these raindrops which were dripping down from these red chilies. A light breeze was blowing outside. So what was happening outside? A light breeze, ठंडी light means हल्की सी, breeze में ठंडी हवाएं, breeze. तो ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं चल रही थी. I wrapped a bed sheet around me tightly while sitting on the cot. तो राइटर क्या कहता है कि मैंने लपेटा, अपने जिस्म के इर्द गिर्द लपेटा, क्या लपेटा, एक शीट लपेटा अराउंड माई बॉडी एज आई वाज सिटिंग ऑन द कॉट, कि वो चारपाई बैठा हुआ था और एक कम्बल ले ली, एक शीट ले लिया और अपने जिस्म पे ओढ़ लिया. द किड्स वेर एट द प्ले गोइंग आउट एंड कमिंग इन. तो बच्चे क्या, किड्स बच्चे, दे वर प्लेइंग, वो खेल रहे थे, गोइंग आउट एंड कमिंग इन, कभी बाहर जाते थे कभी अंदर आ रहे थे. दे वर मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइज and the children were making a lot of noise. इनने काफी शोर मचाया हुआ था. It was more or less obvious to it. और मुझे इसकी तरफ कोई खास तवज्जो, more or less थोड़ी बहुत तवज्जो इसकी तरफ थी. The chili plants were dancing in the breeze and the water was falling from them. तो ये जो मिर्ची के पौधे थे, इन पे क्या हो रहा था? They were dancing. That it seems that they were dancing in this pleasant atmosphere. That ये जो पौधे थे, ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे देवर डांसिंग, जैसे वो नाच रहे थे इस खुशनुमा, इस अच्छे से, इस खुशगवार मौसम में. Small patches of clouds were moving to and fro in the sky. और छोटे छोटे बादल के टुकड़े टू एंड फ्रो, आगे पीछे, कभी आगे जा रहे थे, हवाएं उनको अपने साथ कभी आगे लेती थी कभी पीछे ला रही थी. They were moving on the sky. उधर आसमान पे आगे पीछे जा रहे थे. Sometimes they covered the sun and it became cloudy. और कभी कभार ये क्या करते थे, ये बादल, ये जो सूरज निकलता था, इसको क्या कर लेते थे, अपने पीछे छुपा लेते थे. एंड इट बिकेम्स क्लाउडी, और जैसे लगता था कि बादल छा गए. एंड सम टाइम द सन कम आउट, और कभी सूरज निकल आता था, तो उस वक्त ज़्यादा ही खुशगवार लग रहा था. तो बच्चों ये था कि किस तरह से बारिशें हो रही थी. ऑल ऑफ ए सडन सन कम्स आउट, अचानक सूरज निकल आता है. एवरीथिंग लुक्स प्लीजेंट, हर एक चीज़ क्या कर रही दिख रही थी, खूबसूरत दिख रही थी. तो इंशाल्लाह टुमारो वी विल डिस्कस what happened later on. Thanks.